Hi, I'm Dr. Jim Carlson from the Grove Animal Hospital and Holistic Center. We're going to be discussing case number 01956, an 8-year-old domestic shorthair with history of bladder issues. And cystitis is typically rooted in several areas, but ultimately causes a rise in pH. It causes more of an alkaline urine. And that alkaline urine is irritating to the bladder, and that can produce crystals. Crystals can produce mucus and blockage, and then difficulties in going to the bathroom. But it's more complex than what they show us. As far as treatment, we need to know the remedy. And so as we come in a little closer, we can see on base point readings is that, first of all, I look for the urinary bladder. This is right here, and that's balanced. So the bladder is balanced. The next is we look for the kidneys. Kidneys were just above it, and that's balanced. So not a urinary specific problem as much as we go to weakness or stress here. Weakness in the red, stress in the yellow. We see that the two weak points are skin and liver. And on the stress points we see TW1B, which is the endocrine system, so a stress component. We notice that the spleen for filtration, big important one next, nervous system. And then 2 is lymphatic. So if we think about what's creating this, is the stress component is putting the pressure on the bladder and kidney, but the kidney and bladder itself are okay. So the remedy is to balance the weakness and reduce the stress. And so B12 once every 3 to 4 weeks can make a big difference in the short-term treatment for 3 months. We want to use a conditioning formula to balance out these weakness and stresses, and that's going to come in the form of drops, 3 drops a day, and we're going to use that for 3 months. Now, cats aren't particularly keen about being on herbs, so I usually don't prescribe an herb, but prescribe an immune formula that you can put into the diet, just a small sprinkle once a day to help to balance the immune system and reduce inflammation. So those 3 things right now. In the meantime, there's going to be questions, because until we're balanced, we still may have issues that we have to treat more traditionally, especially if there is inflammation. So cold laser therapy can be important for the bladder to reduce inflammation, and also incorporating acupuncture as well. So review the video, give us a call, 847-541-4005, to let us know if you have questions and set up a consultation. Otherwise, I'll see you back in 3 to 4 weeks for our first injection. Thank you very much.